Hello, welcome to the video for Outliers. Just real quick, let's recall what outliers are. Outliers are numbers that don't fit with the rest of the data. Let's use the word match. Match is better. Numbers that don't match the rest of the data. Okay, let's look at letter A. In Professor Gray's class, 10 students had the following scores: 73, 74, 75, 77, 79, 79, 81, 83, 84, and 85. Identify all the outliers. If there is more than one, separate them with commas. If there are none, indicate there are none. So to find whether or not a number matches the rest of the data, we have to look and see how the data is reacting. So we go from 73 to 85, but from the smallest number up, it's only one space, and from the largest number in, it's only one space. So there are no outliers, so we would say there are none. Now let's add an example, and we'll add it down here. Let's say that the lowest score was 25. Well, since all of these numbers are from 73 to 85, 25 would then be the outlier, but we don't have 25 there, so we're not going to consider that. So since the data is really close together and there's no numbers that are far apart, we're going to go with none. For part B, the 11 participants in an experiment had the following reaction time: 233, 480, 481, 482, 486, 488, 490, 491, 503, 505, and 510. Identify all of the outliers of this data set. So if we look, the first number is 233, but up to the next one, we don't go till 480. So there's a big gap here. And if we go to the end, it goes 505 to 510. So that's not even really a big gap at all. So my outlier would be 233 because it's a big gap. There's a big gap in the data right here. So it doesn't really match the rest of our data. Everybody else's reaction speeds are fairly similar except for 233. So that's how you find outliers. You just look for values that don't fit or match the rest of the data. Good luck.